Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to see who subscribe to your YouTube channel. So firstly you need to get onto your YouTube studio by selecting your channel icon and click the YouTube studio. So once you reach the YouTube studio page, you will see the channel dashboard, something like analytics and subscribers count here. But when you scroll down to the bottom, you will see the option called recent subscribers. So simply select the see all, and here is the list of subscribers to your channel in the recent last 90 days. You can change the number of days here. For example, I'm choosing lifetime, and you see the number of subscribers here, and you can sort them by subscribers count. So also if you want to subscribe them back, you can do it directly by here. And also you need to notice one more thing, the number of subscribers listed here are based on how the users have made their subscription public. So if they are made their subscription as private, then you cannot able to see those subscribers in this list. I hope this video might help to you. The same steps you can follow on your mobile device, but you can't directly use the technique on your YouTube Studio app or YouTube app. You have to go to your Chrome browser on your mobile device and follow the same steps. You can able to see your subscribers even from your mobile. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts, then drop them in the comment section. Bye bye.